You like Airbus better? Why do you like Airbus better?
Built better.
Yeah, that's right.
Better technology.
We don't want doors flying off our planes. Airbnb that we're in. Looks so cute. Oh my gosh, little hooks for our purses. We have our own little kitchen area. I 10 out of 10 recommend getting a kitchen area because it is so nice to have the freedom to just cook whatever you want and just to not eat out all the time. So super nice to have the kitchen area. And we have a little living room area, super duper cute. A couch to chill on, giving literal Hawaii island vibes. We have a little table to eat at. I love the design of this little Airbnb. It's so like coastally vibes. I love it. So beautiful. And then we don't have much of a view from our balcony. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Oh. But this is our view. Not really too much, just a view of the little complex we're in. But still, it's nice to have a little lanai. That's cool. It's baby. Gonna sneak back in. Had me waiting outside for like 20 minutes with the closed car. While he was sitting here on the couch watching his phone, I was like, were you taking a dump? Yeah, I was like burning outside, sweating to death, and I was like, what the heck is he doing? Weirdo. Our room, OMG, super duper cute. Love the little bamboo right there. Have our own TV, even though we didn't even watch any TV. But yep, super simple, super nice. Bed is kind of super tiny though, which would always come to my side and it was so annoying. Have our little full-length mirror. And then the bathroom. Turn some lights up in here. Oh, that lighting is super harsh. Have our little bathroom. The shower's over here, the toilet. So yeah, super simple, super cute. Even though we're leaving like literally right now because we're supposed to check out in like 5 minutes. No, not 5. Or like 20 minutes. So sad to leave this place. We don't want to leave. We're so sad. It was so fun spending some time here. Right, baby?
That was really fun.
But we gotta get some coffee now and go on our hike. It's gonna be another long one. Feels like a movie. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Oh, the valleys. Our first breakfast stop at Java Kai.
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good. I got an iced decaf vanilla latte with the macnut milk because we always get macnut everything every time we're in Hawaii. It's bomb. What'd you get?
I got just the milk latte.
You got a boring drink.
It's good though. You can tell it's unsweetened milk though, but it's still good.
Yeah, it's an unsweetened one, but it's still bomb. So, yet. I'm gonna get the day started.
You've already so far away from me.
Also, it's our anniversary, so we're just waiting for our food now. Why am I so zoomed in? We're about to get food, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, the chicken. Trying to look for food. The avocado toast and the power bowl. Looks good. We're finally heading to the beach. Let's just take a moment to appreciate these cool looking sunglasses that my baby got me for our 1-year anniversary. Fun fact, I've never had nice glasses. I would always get the cheap ones from Target that are like 10 bucks, but they look super cute, but like they're always foggy and never clear. And then the first time I tried Lish's little Oakley glasses that are bougie and like 300 bucks, and I was like, what the heck? This is how like fancy glasses are supposed to feel like. I don't know, it's just kind of crazy. So first pair of fancy sunglasses, bet. But the beach is literally right across from our Airbnb, and we're super stoked. It's this cool little pathway here, and it leads down straight to the beach. And we're going in prime time sunburn hour, so we're probably gonna look like tomatoes.
I don't burn.
Bro, he always says that, and then he burns like crazy. Is always the hardest. Words of wisdom from Irina Wink. Oh my gosh, I love all the palm trees in Kauai. It looks really cool. And the ocean on the other side. How is it?
It's really good.
It's bomb.
Never tried macadamia nut.
I know,
What's it
it's
called?
good. Macadamia nut butter.
Oh yeah, never tried that before.
Guys, we just stopped at Kalalea. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna butcher this name, but it's like Kalalea Juice Hale. OMG, the best acai bowl ever. A little bit overpriced, not gonna lie. But it was worth it, okay? This was our first acai bowl here. It was such a cute spot. There was a ton of people there. I'm still finishing up my bowl. I'm like trying not to spill it because Lish drives pretty crazy, as we all know.
I know.
So if I get purple all over my white Billabong shirt, it's him, and he's gonna buy me a new one. So that's the plan. But 10 out of 10, recommend it, so good. Okay guys, we got the goods from the store. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. So good. Had to get the gluten-free pizza. This was so good, so bomb. It literally doesn't even taste like it's gluten-free. 10 out of 10. I have been wanting to try this. It's the yerba mate, I think that's how you say it, but it's this tea, and it's like, I've had the iced tea of this, and it's supposed to give you like natural energy, and it's like has a lot of skin benefits to it, so definitely gonna be chugging this because I'm already breaking out like crazy. Oh, had to get one of my favorite fruits, dragon fruit. Oh my gosh, it's the best, I love it. bananas. Oh, oops, lost one. He's a little longer. He's gone. He's on his own journey. Poor banana. Okay, some gluten-free ravioli. So good. And then we love fish and chips, so had to get these little gluten-free fish nuggies, fish nugget things. And then this is one of my favorite like healthy snack, these little paleo puff things. I tried this in, what are those boxes called? OMG, there's like these boxes that send you something, like they send you a whole box of things if you have a subscription, and this was one of the things in the boxes that they sent us to try, and it was super good, so 10 out of 10 for that. OMG, I love mac nut butter when I'm in Hawaii, anywhere in general, but it's just always the best when it's made here. But it is so expensive, but it was worth buying it, so 10 out of 10. Some more snackies, some ramen, healthy version of ramen, and some bread. Successful shopping day. So it was a successful shopping day, if you ask me. It was such a cute little store. It was like one of those healthy food stores. It reminds me of our store Study Farms in Washington. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, they have all the healthy, cool looking things there. That was our little shopping haul for the next probably 2 days, because we're probably gonna finish this all because we eat so much. We'll probably be back there again for another shopping. It's like 80 degrees here, but no worries. We're still drinking our hot yerba mate tea, right baby?
It's tea time.
Cheers. But seriously though, this is bomb. I totally recommend.
Watch the speed bump.
We got our teas. Cheers. Grab your teas, everybody, while you're watching this vlog. Grab either matcha, yerba mate, or London fog, because those are the best. We're heading to Poipu right now, and we're gonna go have a really good anniversary dinner. OMG, it's gonna be bomb. And then we want to do like a little sunset swim, go to a little surf shop. I really want to buy like one of those I don't even know the name for them, but one of those swimsuits to surf in with the long sleeves, like a surf suit pretty much, because yeah, I only have bikinis and I don't feel comfortable surfing in that, because yeah, just I want everything secure. No, I don't have anything to secure, but I just want it all secured either way. But it's gonna be fun. I always like shopping, drinking my tea to clear up this acne, SMH. I always get pimples at the worst time. Why does that always happen? SMH.
Not really a beach. We're gonna watch sunset here. Dinner over there real quick.
Oh,
Come
yeah.
back. Catch this beautiful sunset. Look over there, please.
What? So
Over there.
demanding.
The sun's gonna be going down.
Dang, sunset. Oh, look at that wave. Oh my gosh. Literally, our restaurant is somewhere over there. Oh my gosh, there's porta
table's
potties.
ready.
Our table's ready. Okay, we gotta
It's pretty hangry,
go
so
feed
better
Lish
head up
because
there.
he's
Come
so
on.
hangry.
This way.
Good morning, guys. It's way too early for Lish to be up right now.
Oh, quit it.
I I had to drag him out of bed to come watch the sunrise.
It's the opposite.
Yeah, he had to drag me out of bed today because I was super not wanting to get up. But I was up yesterday first, so we're even.
Yeah.
But sadly, it's a little cloudy. Oh my goodness. I don't even know if we'll get the sunrise. Kind of sad the one time we woke up for it. But I think we'll be waking up every day for the sunrise because just with the time difference, we see the sunrise. Guys, roosters came out to see the sunrise. Hi, babies. Waimea Canyon right now, and it is beautiful. Oh my goodness, like I literally can't believe God just created all of this.
Underestimated it.
Yeah.
Low-key didn't really want to come here,
Yeah, he didn't.
but in person, cameras don't do justice.
I know, they don't. I knew it was gonna be really dope, so I wanted to come here. There's not that many people here either, which makes it better because when it's super crowded and everyone is just like everywhere, like it just takes away the fun, so that's another plus side. We're going to this really cool little waterfall on the side of the road, and it's surrounded by like these red rocks. It literally gives Arizona vibes, but in Kauai it's kind of crazy. I don't know how this is all red, but super cool. Feels like Mars right now. We literally got to catch the sunset on the ride back. Yeah, now we're going to get tacos because Lish is hangry. I'm getting one-word responses. That's how you know it's bad. That's just how you know it's bad. But that was so cool, and the view going down, you just see the ocean. It's so beautiful. It's so cool that we got to see the sunrise this morning, sunset on the other side of the island. Literally the perfect day today. I didn't get to film the middle part of going to the beach because we were just caught up in the moment. Met up with some Kauai crew friends, and so it was just kind of living in the moment, which I think we should all have. So didn't film a little bit of the middle part of the day. Overall, successful day, super fun, super chill. Mentally preparing ourselves for the 9-mile hike we're about to do tomorrow. Gonna be fun. Waking up early too. I don't know how we're gonna do that, but it's gonna be awesome. Now we're trying to scout out some dinner spots. Hopefully tacos are open, but if not, wish us luck. Chicken in a barrel. It's 5:59. Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh, it is so early. Okay, it's 5:59 right now, but we woke up. I ended up waking up at like 3:40 for whatever reason this morning, and we ended up getting up officially at 5 a.m. which I don't know why the rest of the days it was so easy to wake up at 5 a.m., watch the sunrise, vibe, do my own thing. But the day we have to be up at 5 a.m., it has to be so hard. We barely got up. Oh my gosh, we were like both just like dragging our feet out of bed. Oh, it was so bad. I'm like still tired right now. And we're kind of late to our shuttle because we're doing a really cool waterfall hike today that's like 9 miles long. It's by Honolulu. It's on the other side of the island, kind of like an hour-ish away from where we're staying at. So we kind of were wanting to just book it straight there, but Lish needs his coffee or else he literally doesn't function in the morning. So we decided to stop at a coffee shop super fast, and I kind of need my matcha. So I'm excited for the day. The day has to bring for us. I have my little breakfast here. It's a yogurt bowl with papaya in it and some bananas. I'm so excited. OMG, I love papaya on anything. And now I'm about to get my matcha soon.
Yes, sir.
Hey, rooster. I don't wanna. Lish is trying to imagine falling down this. That'd be terrifying, but that'd be pretty cool to fall in the ocean because it's so pretty. How are you doing? Yeah.
Getting a little sick, so it's not the best.
Yeah, Lish got sick, so he's feeling kind of tired, but we're pushing through it.
Push through it.
There's some people coming behind us, so we gotta start rolling. Mile 1.5, I think. Mile 1.5. Pretty much 1.5. 1.25. This trail is a little bit more challenging than we thought it was gonna be. It's very uphill, very, there's some steps though, but there's a lot of rocks, and it's really beautiful. You can see the ocean from every angle. Feels like literal jungle vibes, and
Lots of fruit trees.
oh my gosh, lots of fruit
Lots
trees.
of pineapple,
Lish
avocado.
was literally about to go pick a pineapple. I was like, we're about to get arrested here. Cool, there was little avocado trees, little fig looking thing trees. Any fruit you can think of, it was here. We literally passed a helicopter landing strip area, which looked very suspicious. Not like you could land a helicopter there. Lish and I literally have been talking about how we're terrified of going on helicopters.
I want to try one, but also don't. You have to be a really good pilot though, and a good company.
Keep telling him he just needs to fly it himself, 'cause he's a pro. He'd be a pro.
Oh no.
But yeah, we kept seeing all these Instagram reels and stories of these helicopters crashing on the famous like Kauai like helicopter tours, and I've always wanted to go on one because it just looks so cool, but it's just very suspicious. I don't know. I'm already terrified of planes for some reason randomly, so I don't know about a full-on helicopter. That'd be pretty terrifying, but I don't know how they would land on that landing strip. It looked super uneven, lots of dirt everywhere, but I guess if it works, it works. This hike is getting kind of steep down. Trying not to fall over. Ah, it's pretty cool though. It's not that bad. They kind of have these little step formation things. That's pretty nice. We just found something on the floor. I think it's passion fruit.
Looks like it.
Oh, it looks good. Are you gonna try some?
No, I don't know how long it's been sitting on the ground.
Yeah, it's a little sus, but
I better get a fresh one.
yeah. This is so beautiful, the view. We just had to go across the stream. That was kind of not scary, but we were just scared. Like the rocks were a little bit slippery and there was not a good path, but we made it. It was interesting. But that was like kind of one of the harder parts that people said from this hike, and that wasn't too bad. We're taking a tiny little bit of a break and we're gonna head to the waterfall now. Most people just stop at this beach, so we're hoping there's not gonna be a lot of people at the waterfall. Really crossing our fingers, please don't be a lot of people at the waterfall, because yeah, it's not gonna be a vibe. Made it! Oh my gosh, there's a ton of people here. Looks pretty cool. Lish is exhausted. He's not feeling well. But it looks pretty dope. Like, it's actually insane. It's so huge, look! Crazy. It's insane! So, hike wasn't too bad. Towards the end, it definitely got a little hard, but definitely 10 out of 10 worth coming here. This is hard. Hey, cutie. Oh. Baby. Lish isn't feeling well still, but we'll get him all recovered and ready to go. Poor baby. Sunset spot. Look at how much people are over there. Crazy. Good morning. Got our matcha. I got my matcha. Baby got his Americano. And we're heading over to Queen's Bath right now. This has been a bucket list thing for me for like years on end, so I'm so excited to see it. Crossing my fingers it's not going to be crowded, because that hike yesterday was insanely crowded, and no offense, but it just takes away from the vibe. Oh, this car almost literally made us crash. That was scary. Anyways, so it's kind of like a 30-minute drive from us, so it's not too far away, and I'm super stoked, super excited to go check it out.
We're so blessed to be here on the island of Hawaii. You got 1,000,000 trees. 1,000,000 trees.
Aloha, and welcome to Kauai Coffee Company.
No, I have to do it with you. 1, 2, 3. We're doing the self-guided coffee farm tour. It is really cool so far. This coffee farm is super huge, like
3,000 acres.
yeah, that's insane. It's like, I didn't expect it to be this big. Because we've been to a couple of the Kona coffee farms and
Are they free though on the Kona?
yeah, they're free there, but
And they guide you.
yeah, they guide you for free, but here, like, you have to pay for a tour guide. So we're just doing the free self-guided one because we've already been to a ton of coffee farms, and me with Starbucks, I've learned so much about coffee farms. We just tasted some. It was so good. The decaf was even good, which is surprising because decaf is a hit or miss with a lot of places. Come along with us with the tour. Or come along with us for the tour.
Grab.
Lish is already eating. All done. Dang. Boba time. How's it taste?
Pretty good.
Nice. You got the Thai tea and I got the Hong Kong milk tea. Don't know what this is yet, but I'll try it out and I'll let you guys know. We just got done hiking Waterfalls. Oh my gosh, it was so beautiful. I love that spot on this island. It was actually insane. The hike down was not that bad. It was pretty steep, but there were ropes there, which made it kind of more fun. I don't know. And the trail wasn't super packed, which was pretty cool. Oh, I just spit. Oh my gosh. But there was like only one other couple there, so it was pretty empty. We had like the whole waterfall to swim to ourselves. That was pretty awesome. And now we got some boba. I got the Hong Kong milk tea. And Lish got the Thai tea, and now we're gonna go watch the sunset. My baby hairs are going crazy right now. Please do not mind this. I look like a crazy hot mess right now. But I've been using this oil and it's been making my hair grow a lot. So all these baby hairs that you see flying up right now is literal brand new hairs that are growing on my head, which is kind of crazy to think about because yeah, I just would always struggle with hair. So we're here though at our second to last sunset in Kauai. Super sad. Well, we'll still see a sunset tomorrow, regardless of where we're at.
Oh wait, we fly out at 10, so
We'll see the sunset tomorrow.
yeah, we'll see a sunset
We'll
tomorrow.
see the sunset. But we're trying to decide if we want to swim or not because it's a lot colder than we thought. As you can see with our hair going everywhere. It's super windy, super cold. But we haven't swam a lot so far on this island, so we really want to. But we don't know
Sunset's
yet.
really nice though.
It's really nice.
Show the sunset.
Yesterday it wasn't as good. Last gelato here. That's so sad. Yeah, I guess maybe we might get some tomorrow, but this place is really good. I got haupia, which is like coconut, and then cookies and cream because Can never go wrong with that. It's OG. What did you get, baby?
Macadamia nut and LaCroix cheesecake.
Yeah, we ended up not swimming because it was way too cold. It's still cold right now, but it's a vibe. First hike of the day, last full day.
I just wanna rewind. I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you want me. Come me home. Baby, come home.
Still have like a mile left to at the waterfall. We're walking through these cool looking bamboo trail pathways. So dope. Literally feels like a movie right now.
Yeah. It's weird on the camera.
How you doing?
Doing good. Feeling a lot better today.
Yep.
Sun's out.
Can't say the same.
Barely any clouds in the sky. It's super nice out.
Okay, well that was a pretty crazy set that just came in. The waves here are really huge. Oh my gosh.
Breaking right on the shore.
I can barely even look at the camera. The sun is so bright. I forgot my glasses. Can I have your glasses? But
grab your glasses.
I know, I forgot them. But the sets are super big. We should have brought our boards. That would have been cool. But oh, it's so nice here. This beach is so pretty. I don't know how we haven't came to this beach yet, but very beautiful. We're about to tan. We ended up not hiking because it was super cloudy at the Nepali coast and it just wouldn't have been worth it to hike all the way there and not see anything. So we're just looking forward to doing that hike the next time we come here. I don't know when that's gonna be, but
Yeah.
yep. So we're just chilling the rest of the day.
Yep. Not much else.
Not much else. Awaiting the dreadful airplane ride back home. It's always sad and depressing.
There's a dog in the waves. A
Oh,
couple
there is.
dogs.
Oh, there's little babies.
There's 3 dogs.
Cute. They're
Oh, he's
living
way
the
out there. He's
life.
going way out there.
Oh, he's like floating in with the water. Oh, I thought he was about to catch a wave. So cute. Dang, imagine if we brought Kona and Gigi here. Our pups would love it here. Oh, I miss the pups. Sad. Sad. We'll see them soon though.
That big wave off the point there.
Yeah, there's a lot of big waves. Crazy. Oh, that was loud. Dang, baby's matching the background. Lish has been matching every place that we've gone to. He matched the coffee shop today. Now he's matching this place. You just know.
I did. Last meal in Kauai. It's a good one.
It is.
Indian food.
Number one
Coconut, lamb.
Indian with my Indian.
We had to get a mild spice though for Irina.
Not even for you. Yeah, this is pretty bomb. It's
Really good though.
almost as good as our #1 curry place in Alderwood.
Wish we came here sooner.
I know, sad.
Too spicy for baby.
No.
Just had mild spice curry. Too spicy.
Good.
Nothing has changed.
Got the boarding passes. I don't want to go. We're just staying. Cheers. It was like $10 for this chai. Worth it though.
It's good.
Pumpkin spice chai season, guys.